Okay, so tonight's video, I'm just going to quickly go over what pairs I put on the UFX Trend Report EA to trade for the Euro session into the New York session for me, and how I determine which pairs to put them on by looking at the previous day. So the time of day that I'm looking at putting this on is 8:30 Pacific Standard Time. Between 8 and 11 Pacific Standard Time, generally the low and the lower the high of the day can be created, and then the bulk of the move can be done during the Euro session into the New York session. So that's what I'm anticipating, and that's why I'm looking at this time of the day. So also the days of the week to do this would be Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Those are the three best days of the week. But let's get into it. So what I'm looking at this time, again, it's between 6 and 7 on the broker's time, but it's between 8 and 11 is what I'm anticipating that the lower the high of the day is going to be created, and then the bulk of the move being done in the Euro session into the New York session. As we can see, the Euro Pound previous day, between these vertical lines, I'm on the 1 hour candle, so between these vertical lines here is the previous day's price action. So you can see during that time, Asian session, high of the day was created at 9. Okay, so that's in between 8 and 11 Pacific Standard Time, and then bulk of the move, Euro into the New York session, and then the low was created, come back, bounce up, and then we close for the day. So this is a bearish candle. This is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a bullish candle or a bearish candle with some nice price action. So okay, we've opened, dropped, and then closed. What I'm anticipating now is a high to be created between 8 and 11 Pacific Standard Time, and then the bulk of the move going from the Euro to the New York session. So I just want to go with the flow of the previous daily. So I know that this is a bearish candle, and we had the high created before the low. Nice price action. I'm going to put the EA to trade it, looking for sells only, and I've turned off the 50-50. Okay, so if this goes sideways and then we get a drop and a sell candle or a bearish candle is going to give a sell signal, the EA will take it for me, and then I'll have a look in the morning and just go over these trades and see what's happened and how they've panned out. Pound Swiss, same thing here. We had a bullish candle. We opened sideways, pushed up, bulk of the move between the Euro and the New York session here, and then a pullback, and then we closed. So I'm anticipating a move to the upside. Maybe over the next couple hours, maybe we drop down a little bit and then create a low down here, and then get the bulk of the move up. But that's what I'm anticipating based on the previous day's price action and the previous day's candle. We've got a bullish candle. I'm expecting this to push up. So I've set the UFX Trend Report EA to take buys only. Okay, we'll just go over the properties here quickly. Set the trades to buy only, and then I've turned the 50-50 off. So same thing, we'll go over to the pound yen. Bullish candle, previous day, sideways. You can see when the low of the day was created, bulk of the move during the Asian or Euro session into the New York session, sideways, and we'll close. Okay, that's what I'm anticipating. A pullback during or sideways during the Asian session, and then the low created between 8 and 11 Pacific Standard Time, which would be from now over the next 3 hours. So maybe we get another pullback down here. Maybe we come down into this previous area of support here. So we'll see. Either way, I've got the EA running and set up for buys only, so I don't care what else happens. If we can come down a bit more, or if we just go sideways, I get a bull candle, a bullish candle, it'll take the trade to the long or to the upside. So looking for longs only on the pound yen. Pound Aussie, same thing, sideways, bulk of the move during the Euro to the New York session, and then we come back come back down here and go into our close here. This has had a nice pullback into the Asian session, so I'm anticipating that we're going to get the over anywhere from now over to the next 2-3 hours, the low of the day, and then a push up. That's what we're anticipating, and we want to catch the move to the upside, so I'm trading buys only for the pound Aussie based on the previous day's price action and daily candle. Okay, the pound CAD, same thing, bullish candle, sideways during the Asian session. I'm looking here, we might even get the trade here on the next end of this candle. Again, I look at the same time every night, 8:30 Pacific Standard Time, which is between 6 and 7 on my broker. And I'm anticipating that the low of the day is going to be created throughout this time. And I want to be trading longs only, try and catch a bulk of the move through the Euro session into the New York session, and then I'll close off the EAs tomorrow morning when I have a look at the charts. Anyways, I'll try and do a few of these videos. Hopefully it makes sense, and then we'll see. Maybe I'll start doing videos as to which pairs I'm putting the UFX Trend Report EA on. Comment in the comment section if you want me to do these videos on Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, and then I'll think about doing that. Anyways, we will talk to you guys in a bit. Okay, so let's go over the pairs that I put the UFX Trend Report on, EA on last night. So the Euro Pound is the first on the list here, and you can see we had one break-even trade, and then we had one losing trade here on the Euro Pound. Then over on the Pound Swiss, we had one losing trade here. And then here on the Pound Yen, we had one winning trade and one losing trade. Pound Aussie, we had a winning trade here. And then on the Pound CAD, we had a winning trade as well. So this morning when I got up, just at around the start of the New York session, I turned all the EAs off and double checked the trades here. So let's go over these trades. Again here, I would just want to show you something here. We had one break even, one loser, another loser, so two losing trades so far, one break even. Three losing trades, one winner, and one break even. And now we had another winner, so we're at two winners, three losers, one break even. And now here we're at three winners, three losers, and one break even. So these winners are 3-to-1 reward to risk. And you can see that when we do set up the EA, we're not worried about the pips where the stop loss is, because our lot size is going to be adjusted based on our risk percent. So what I've incorporated here on the UFX Trend Report EA is the lot size is adjusted based on 1% of the account equity, 2%, 5%. Okay, so what we want to do here and go over is that our winning trades, we're not worried about the pips. We're more concerned about the reward to risk. So these are a 3-to-1 reward to risk. Meaning that we get one winner, we can have three losers and still break even. Okay, so that's the most important thing to think about when you're using the UFX Trend Report EA. So we've got three winners, three losers, and one break even. So these two winners are money in the bank because our one winner wiped out our three losing trades. So, okay, so we ended up coming out on top here, putting the EA on based on our analogy of the previous day's daily bar. So comment down below again if you want me to be posting these on Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. Maybe in the evening I will do the analysis as I'm putting the UFX Trend Report EA on my charts. Maybe I'll do the video at the same time and then post it live for YouTube. Just for those 3 days though, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Post in the comment section if you want me to do that, and we will talk to you guys later. Okay, so if you're interested in either getting the UFX Arrow strategy or the UFX Trend Report EA plus the strategy here, they both come when you join as a YouTube member. Just click the join button on the main channel and you're going to see this here, access live chat. Now, accessing the live chat is not going to get you the indicators and the EA. It is simply just to access if you want to chat on the YouTube live stream, okay? On either one of the live streams. This will just give you access to live stream. I've done this to keep those bots off of the channel. But in order to get the MT4 indicators plus the EA, you just simply click on Get MT4 Indicators plus EA. Hit the join button, and everything will be uploaded to you via the Telegram channel. It's that simple to get to it. If you are on the live streams, down below you can click the join button, and it's going to take you to the same thing here. Arrows strategy live stream. Click the join, and then click on the Get MT4 Indicators plus EA. Click the join button, and you'll be able to notify me via Telegram, and everything will be uploaded to you. All right, have a good day, and we'll talk to you guys later.